The next type of graph you're going to need to know is an exponential graph. The exponential graph is really easy. Basically what it is y equals a specific number, so let's say 2, to the x power. So what's changing in your ordered pair is x, and that reflects y, and as x increases, y is going to increase exponentially. So here we have our graph, and I'm just going to add one extra point. I'm going to plug in 3, so 3, 2 to the third, 8, oh my god, 2 to the third is 8, so our ordered pair is 3, 8. So let's draw this on a graph. -2, 1/4 is like right here, -1, 1/2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 8. So what we can see is that it's pretty much going like a curve. Now remember, when x is becoming a larger negative number, so -10, -20, -30, remember our rules of exponents? Even 2 to the -40th power is still going to be positive. It's just 2 to the 40th power it's just 1 over 2 to the 40th power. So this is going to just be some super small decimal, but this means that no matter how small x gets and how big of a negative number it becomes, means that it's actually never approaching 0. This is known as an asymptote. It's going to keep getting closer and closer and closer and closer to the x-axis, but it's never going to touch the x-axis. Okay? But this will continue to grow. So they're growing like this, but you have to indicate that there's an asymptote at x equals 0, which basically means it's never going to reach 0 or go below that. And don't forget, we have to label our line, y equals 2 to the x power. Now, one thing you might find is that you have y equals -2 to the x power. Now remember, the exponent only applies to the 2. This would create a similar graph, except basically what's happening is our y values are going to be negated. Which means that it's going to look something like this. And again, it's never touching 0, and our asymptote is at 0. This is what an exponential graph looks like. Hey, thanks for watching this Crash Course video. To watch the previous video in this series, click here. To watch the next video in this series, click there. If you want to request a video, make sure you put it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video.